Which rebellion is associated with the Moplan peasants? A. Deccan riots. B. Moplag rebellion. C. Indigo revolt. D. Santhal rebellion. The correct answer is B. Moplag rebellion. In what substance are sodium and potassium typically stored? A. Acid. B. Water. C. Air. D. Kerosene. The correct answer is D. Kerosene. What is the direct consequence of A is equal to G for the apparent weight R? A. R becomes 2 milligrams. B. R becomes negative. C. R becomes 0. D. R becomes mg. The correct answer is C. R becomes 0. What is the effective resistance when the two resistors are connected in series? A. 9 ohm. B. 2 ohm. C. 5A. D. The reciprocal of their sum. The correct answer is A. 9 ohm. What concept is related to the formation of fossil fuels, according to the learning objectives? A. Hydrocarbons. B. Neutralization. C. Acids and bases. D. Indicators. The correct answer is A. Hydrocarbons. If something is happening in contemporary times, when is it occurring? A. In the future. B. In a different location. C. At the same time as now. D. In the past. The correct answer is C. At the same time as now. When were the two pairs of contrasting characteristics chosen by Mendel? A. Randomly. B. In triplets. C. At different times. D. In pairs. The correct answer is D. In pairs. What type of material are clothes linked to? A. Ceramic compounds. B. Metal alloys. C. Polymer chemistry. D. Mineral composites. The correct answer is C. Polymer chemistry. Megalithic monuments are described in the text as including burials and what other category? A. Literary sources. B. Copper plates. C. Roman coins. D. Hero stones. The correct answer is D. Hero stones. How many member states does the United Nations currently have? A. 90. Born in 1948. C. 193. D. 30. The correct answer is C. 193. What is the correct position for the circular mark on the pipette stem when adjusting the liquid volume? A. Below eye level. B. At eye level. C. Angled away from the eye. D. Above eye level. The correct answer is B. At eye level. Which term refers to physical parts of a computer? A. Software. B. Hardware. C. Input device. D. Operating system. The correct answer is B. Hardware. What do candidates announce during the campaign before an election? A. Future diplomatic missions. B. The party's programs and policies. C. Previous election results. D. Their personal finances. The correct answer is B. The party's programs and policies. What is another name for Suruli Falls? A. Killur Falls. B. Monkey Falls. C. Agya Gangai. D. Cloudland Falls. The correct answer is D. Cloudland Falls. Which example plant is mentioned as having roots that grow very deep to reach water? A. Calotropis. B. Aloe vera. C. Sunflower. D. Opentia. The correct answer is A. Calotropis. Which of the following is listed as a major component of soil? A. Organic matter. B. Air. C. Humus. D. Rocks. The correct answer is D. Rocks. A molecule with 3 atoms, 2 of one element and 1 of another, is classified as what? A. Heterotriatomic. B. Homotriatomic. C. Heterodiatomic. D. Homodiatomic. The correct answer is A. Heterotriatomic. What gas obtained from natural gas is mentioned as being used in production? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Hydrogen. What is the effect of increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? A. Earth's atmosphere becomes thinner. B. Earth's oxygen levels increase. C. Earth becomes warmer. D. Earth becomes cooler. The correct answer is C. Earth becomes warmer. What was characteristic of the republics of Ghana regarding their legal systems? A. They adopted laws from neighboring empires. B. They followed a centralized system of law. C. They had their own system of law. D. They adhered strictly to conventional laws. The correct answer is C. They had their own system of law. Which pair of sex chromosomes do human females possess? A. 1X chromosome. B. 1X and 1Y chromosome. C. 2X chromosomes. D. 1Y chromosome. The correct answer is C. 2X chromosomes. Which object should be connected to the negative terminal of the battery in the described electroplating activity? A. Glass jar. B. Iron spoon. C. Copper sulfate solution. D. Copper metal plate. The correct answer is B. Iron spoon. What is Tamil Nadu's ranking among Indian states by area? A. 9th largest. B. 10th largest. C. 11th largest. D. 12th largest. The correct answer is C. 11th largest. What is located on the truncate snout of a rabbit? A. Ears and vibrissae. B. Eyes and neck. C. Fur and tail. D. Mouth and external nares. The correct answer is D. Mouth and external nares. What characteristic of some volcanic gases contributes to material bursting forth? A. They are combustible. B. They are corrosive. C. They are inert. D. They are odorless. The correct answer is A. They are combustible. What is another name for a coordinate covalent bond? A. Dative bond. B. Electrovalent bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. Van der Waals bond. The correct answer is A. Dative bond. If a mirror is used to focus light from a large area into a small spot, it is functioning as A. Convex mirror. B. Plane mirror. C. Diverging mirror. D. Concave mirror. The correct answer is D. Concave mirror. What is brine primarily composed of for industrial electrolysis? A. Chlorine gas. B. Calcium oxide. C. Hydrogen gas. D. Sodium chloride. The correct answer is D. Sodium chloride. In which lists does the SHRC inquire into violations of human rights? A. State and concurrent lists. B. Union and residuary lists. C. Global and national lists. D. Local and municipal lists. The correct answer is A. State and concurrent lists. What caused the end of the Reign of Terror? A. A new constitution was adopted. B. A foreign invasion. C. The fall of Robespierre. D. The rise of Napoleon. The correct answer is C. The fall of Robespierre. How did you score?